Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into a new capital, okay, into a bigger capital. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course guys, just the way we are saying it, I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course this particular asset started a downtrend right from here. It sold till it got to this support zone. It had a pullback, but it didn't go for too far, far away from there, and of course it went back there to break out below that support zone, and it has been selling since then. And of course guys, this has been more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so at this point it is very close to a support zone, so we need to be very careful right now. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it will have a total change in direction of the market. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course guys, just where we are seeing it, still on 5-minute time frame. This actually went on uptrend, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so right now it's going back on downtrend, and of course we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out crash 1000 right now. This is crash 1000, and of course let's check out the current charts. Okay, this is the current charts. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point around here. It was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend, got to this region, played around there for a while before breaking out below here to sell more. So this is still selling at the moment. This might not go for a very long time before it to change the direction into a buy trend. Okay, most especially if it's unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, so that is very important. So next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 has been more of downtrend than an uptrend, even though the movement has not been that smooth, but it's more of downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so we need to take note of that right from there. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so let's take note of that. Next asset is going to be volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75, and of course it actually went on uptrend and got to this region. It's had a pullback but was unable to break out from this support zone, so it's going back on uptrend at the moment. Okay, so it's going to be buying till it gets to this region. If it breaks out above this, then it will be targeting the next resistance zone. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so if it's unable to go further from that resistance zone, then it's going to start selling right from there again. So these are the assets that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.